Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if parental controls aren't working on Prime Video, it's usually due to configuration issues, profile mix-ups, or syncing problems. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix parental controls not working on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that parental controls must be enabled manually, like settings are tied to accounts plus device. Profiles affects how restrictions apply. So most issues means incomplete setup or wrong profile. So first thing, enable parental controls, like go to your Amazon account, open Prime Video settings, select parental controls and turn restrictions on. Okay, so this activates content filtering system. Set age restrictions, like choose a rating level, like for example 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus. It controls what content can be watched. Okay, then set or verify your PIN, like create or confirm your PIN. Enable require PIN for purchases, playback, so it prevents unauthorized access. And apply restrictions to all devices, like ensure controls are enabled for mobile apps, smart TVs, browser. Restrictions may need to be toggled per device. Okay, check profile type, like use a kid or kids profile for stronger filtering, like regular profiles may allow broader access. Then log out and log back in. Okay, so log out of Prime Video and log back in. It forces settings to sync. Okay, you can restart the app or device too, like close the app or restart device. It refreshes parental control settings. Okay, update the application, like go to your store, look for Prime Video and update the Prime Video. It fixes bugs affecting controls. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.